Hey there, it's Cole again from Team Marketing. I wanted to make a quick video showing you how to quickly exclude Microsoft partner traffic from your Microsoft ad campaigns using Microsoft Ads Editor. So first thing, what's Microsoft partner traffic? That is traffic to sites other than being on Microsoft Ads. So there's a very hidden setting that takes forever through the Microsoft Ads interface to turn off. But through Ads Editor, it's really easy to turn off, and turning it off will keep your ads from showing on places like the Google Play Store or random trucking company listing sites. Literally, all you have to do is go into Bing Ads Editor, or Microsoft Ads Editor, rather, highlight the campaigns that are active, go into the ad group dropdown, highlight all of the active ad groups, and then click Microsoft Sites and select traffic. Once you've done that, go ahead and post, and it's good to go. It's really important to check this every time you do an import, because there are some settings on your import that will enable this setting on your ad groups. And I think newly created ad groups always have this setting enabled. So super important that you review this, I would say weekly, if not more often, if you're running Bing ads. Cheers.